A system is a set of parts that are connected and work together to achieve a common goal. These parts are related to each other and they operate within clear boundaries. Every system has three basic elements: input, process, and output. The input is what enters the system. The process is what happens inside the system to transform the input. The output is the final result produced by the system. A simple example shown here is a solar PV system. Sunlight is the input. The system processes this energy using solar panels, batteries, and an inverter. The output is electricity that can be used to power electrical devices. This input process output structure is a useful way to understand not only physical systems but also business and information systems. Every system performs three basic functions: input, process, and output. Input refers to collecting and capturing elements that enter the system. These elements can be physical items, data, or information that the system needs to work with. Process is what the system does with the input. During this stage, the input is transformed, such as raw materials becoming products or data being processed into meaningful information. Output is the final result produced by the system. It involves delivering the process elements to their final destination, such as finished goods, reports, or information for decision making. A simple business example is an accounting system. Customer orders act as the input, the accounting system processes the data, and invoices are produced as the output. This input process output model helps clearly explain how systems operate in both business and information environments. When feedback and control are added to a system, it becomes a cybernetic system. Feedback refers to the response or information received about how well a system is performing. For example, sales reports provide feedback to a sales manager about sales performance. Control involves using that feedback to monitor and evaluate the system and then make adjustments if needed. Continuing the example, a sales manager may reassign salespeople to different territories based on sales performance data. In this type of system, feedback from the output flows back to influence the input or process. Control actions are then taken to improve performance and help the system move closer to its goals. This feedback and control loop allows systems to adapt, improve, and respond to changes, which is very important in both business and information systems. Information technology, or IT, refers to the use of computers and the internet to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data or information. It is widely used in businesses and organizations to support daily operations. An information system, or S, is broader than just technology. It is a set of interrelated components that work together to collect, process, store, and distribute information. The main purpose of an information system is to support decision-making, coordination, and control within an organization. An information system is made up of several elements working together. These include people, hardware, software, communication networks, data resources, and policies and procedures. People use hardware such as computers, keyboards, and monitors. They follow instructions and rules provided by software like Microsoft Word or Excel. Communication networks such as the internet allow information to be shared. Data resources such as databases store information for future use. All these components come together to help organizations operate efficiently and make informed decisions. Information systems play three fundamental roles in supporting a business. The first role is supporting business processes and operations. Information systems help businesses work more efficiently and productively. By automating tasks and improving information flow, companies can reduce costs and increase profitability. For example, large retailers use information systems to manage inventory efficiently and ensure products are restocked on time. The second role is supporting decision making. Information systems provide accurate and timely information that helps managers plan, forecast, and make better decisions. Tools like dashboards and reports allow managers to see real-time data, such as sales performance or customer complaints, so they can respond quickly and effectively. The third role is supporting business strategies for competitive advantage. Information systems help companies perform better than competitors by improving operational effectiveness, lowering costs, and responding faster to customers and suppliers. Businesses that use information systems well can deliver better service, strengthen customer relationships, and gain a strong position in the market. Overall, information systems are not just tools for daily work, they are essential for efficiency, smart decisions, and long term business success. An information system is made up of five major components that work together to produce useful information for a business. The first component is people, which is the most important part. This includes end users who use the system and information systems specialists who design, develop, and maintain the system. The second component is hardware. Hardware refers to all the physical devices used in the system, such as computers, printers, scanners, and other equipment. The third component is software. Software includes system software like Windows or Linux, application software such as accounting systems, and procedures that explain how tasks should be carried out. The fourth component is data. Data consists of raw facts that the system processes to produce meaningful information, such as sales records or customer details. The final component is networks. Networks are the communication technologies that connect systems and allow data to be shared, such as the internet or company networks. All five components must work together for an information system to operate effectively and support business activities. The five major components of an information system do not work separately. They are arranged and connected to work together as one complete system. Together, these components perform input, process, output, feedback, and control. This is how raw data is transformed into useful information. People use the system and make decisions. Hardware provides the physical machines and storage devices. Software and procedures tell the system how to process data. Data resources provide the raw facts stored in databases. Networks allow communication and data sharing. The system takes data as input, processes it using software, and hardware stores it when needed, and produces information as output. Feedback from the output is then used for control, which helps monitor performance and make adjustments if necessary. All components must work together smoothly for an information system to effectively support business operations and decision making.